Well, hello, welcome to Tablescapes by Candy and the Cozy Corner 23 collaboration. Now, for today's collaboration, we were to do either a cozy corner or decorate a cozy corner rather, or do a vignette. And I chose to decorate a cozy corner. Now, my cozy corner is going to be a tea service for one, because you know what? It's been a tough week and I need it. So here you see I've placed a dessert plate as well as gold silverware just to get started. And also you'll see that right above the plate, I've placed a beautiful gold decorative tray that I'll come back and add some, maybe my sugar bowl and creamer too. And here I'm using one of my favorite teacup sets and saucer rather, and teacup with a beautiful rose pattern. And I made sure to set my teacup handle at 4 o'clock just as I should be. Now there you see I'm using this beautiful rose colored teapot, very feminine, one of my favorite purchases. And there I've got a beautiful gold water goblet and wine goblet, and also I'm adding my gold salt and pepper shakers to the setup. Now I'm not quite done. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Since I don't have a dessert spoon or fork, I'm just using a regular fork and spoon, but I've placed them right at the top of the dessert plate just as they should be. Now there on the other side, you see I have my dessert dish and serving utensil. Now, while I'm folding the napkins, I wanted to make sure that you go and visit everyone that's participating in this collaboration. Now, the hosts are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. Now, there's also about a dozen of us that are co-hosting, including myself, but I'll have links to everyone's channels down in my description box. Now here you see I'm just adding a little bit of ambiance with some candles, and voila, my look is ready and my setup is done. And as soon as I show you this setup and we take a closer look, I'm gonna sit down and enjoy a little tea. everyone, as we come closer to the end of the video, I just wanted to come on and first of all, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you'll decide to do that today. Also, please go and visit my other channels. I have 3 other channels, and you'll see links to them in my description box. Again, don't forget to visit everyone who participated in this collaboration. Now, I can't wait to see you in the next video, and until then, have a wonderful day or night. Bye-bye.